Hey there, wellness wavers! Did you know that cinnamon has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine and is loaded with antioxidants and bioactive compounds? Cinnamon has many potential health benefits. What if I told you that this common kitchen spice could remove those fine lines and wrinkles? Oh yes, it can. And today we'll explore 10 incredible health benefits backed by science. So, make sure to watch to the end as we will reveal its anti-aging effects, as well as potential risks to keep in mind. So, without further ado, let's dive in. Number 10. Improves insulin sensitivity. Let's talk about insulin sensitivity. Cinnamon has shown promise in managing insulin resistance, a key factor in metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found that cinnamon enhances insulin sensitivity by mimicking insulin and increasing glucose uptake in cells. Cinnamaldehyde, the active compound in cinnamon, plays a role here. By improving the body's response to insulin, cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar levels more efficiently, reducing the risk of insulin spikes and crashes. A 2013 study published in the Annals of Family Medicine reviewed the effects of cinnamon on type 2 diabetes and found that cinnamon supplementation significantly reduced fasting blood glucose, LDL cholesterol, and triglyceride levels. Add a dash of cinnamon to your morning smoothie or coffee for a simple way to support your body's insulin function. And number 9, lowers blood sugar levels. If you're looking to lower your blood sugar levels naturally, cinnamon can help. The Diabetes Care Journal published a groundbreaking study in 2003 showing that cinnamon can reduce fasting blood sugar levels by up to 29%. This effect is due to cinnamon's ability to slow the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive tract, which helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar after meals. Another benefit is that cinnamon helps increase the sensitivity of insulin receptors, allowing cells to absorb glucose more efficiently. In a 2011 meta-analysis of 8 clinical trials, the Journal of Medicinal Food concluded that cinnamon intake significantly reduced fasting blood glucose levels in people with type 2 diabetes. Try incorporating cinnamon into snacks or desserts. A sprinkle of cinnamon over apple slices or yogurt can help keep your blood sugar in check. Number 8. Boosts heart health. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death globally? Surprisingly, yes, but guess what, my wellness wavers? Cinnamon might be that valuable tool in improving heart health naturally. Sounds too good to be true? The Journal of Diabetes Research found that cinnamon can lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and triglyceride levels while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, significantly. This balance is critical for preventing plaque buildup in the arteries, which can lead to atherosclerosis, a major risk factor for heart disease. Cinnamon's high antioxidant content, particularly its polyphenols, also plays a role in protecting the heart by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 major contributors to cardiovascular disease. Did you know that consuming cinnamon daily can improve lipid profiles? Sure it can. You might be thinking, what is a lipid profile? Well, a lipid profile is a blood test that measures the levels of fats, such as cholesterol and triglycerides, in the bloodstream to assess the risk of cardiovascular disease and reduce blood pressure, helping to reduce the risk of heart disease. For a heart-healthy meal, sprinkle cinnamon over roasted sweet potatoes or mix it into oatmeal. Number 7. Fights infections and boosts immunity. Cinnamon's antimicrobial properties make it a powerful ally against infections. The compounds cinnamaldehyde and eugenol found in cinnamon have been shown to inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria, fungi, and even viruses. For example, a study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences found that cinnamon can help fight bacterial infections like E. coli and Staphylococcus. Additionally, cinnamon has shown effectiveness against fungal infections such as Candida albicans, a common cause of yeast infections. By disrupting the cell membranes of these pathogens, cinnamon helps to both prevent and treat infections. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine demonstrated cinnamon's potent antibacterial and antifungal properties, especially against oral pathogens. Add a pinch of cinnamon to warm tea to help ward off infections, especially during flu season. Number 6. Supports brain health. Here's one that might surprise you. Cinnamon supports brain health. Research indicates that cinnamon could help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies have shown that cinnamon inhibits the buildup of tau proteins in the brain, proteins that are strongly linked to Alzheimer's disease. In 2014, another study was published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease. That study found that cinnamon extract helped protect neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can contribute to cognitive decline. A study from the Journal of Neuroimmune Pharmacology found that cinnamon improved motor function and neuroprotective activity in a model of Parkinson's disease. Practical tip for a brain boost: add cinnamon to your diet regularly. It's easy to mix into smoothies, oatmeal, or even coffee. Number 5. Aids in digestion. If you're struggling with digestive discomfort, cinnamon could be your new best friend. Cinnamon is known to stimulate digestive enzymes, improving the breakdown of food and nutrient absorption. It also helps reduce inflammation in the gut, making it a useful remedy for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, or bloating. The fiber found in cinnamon also aids digestion by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria, supporting overall gut health. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Gastroenterology and Hepatology found that cinnamon extract significantly improved symptoms of IBS and reduced inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract. And that's why drinking cinnamon tea after meals can help with digestion and prevent bloating. Let me know in the comments below if you ever had cinnamon in your tea or oatmeal before. Number 4. Weight loss support. Yes, cinnamon may even help with weight loss. Speaking from personal experience when it comes to weight management, cinnamon has helped me significantly over the years. This spice has been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which your body burns calories to produce heat. In simple terms, cinnamon boosts your metabolism and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Cinnamaldehyde, in particular, has been linked to enhanced fat burning, especially around the abdomen. A study published in the Metabolism Clinical and Experimental Journal revealed that cinnamon could help with fat loss by improving insulin sensitivity, controlling blood sugar, and reducing cravings. A 2012 study in Metabolism found that participants who consumed cinnamon showed an increase in fat burning and a reduction in waist circumference compared to those who didn't. I literally add cinnamon to my morning routine almost every day. People often ask me, "How is your tummy so flat?" Well, a cup of warm cinnamon tea with lemon juice does the magic for me. At times, I would also sprinkle on my breakfast to maintain my weight. Number 3. Boosts immune system. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants that support a healthy immune system. Polyphenols in cinnamon help fight off free radicals that can weaken your immune system and make you more susceptible to illnesses. In addition, cinnamon's anti-inflammatory properties support your body's natural defense mechanisms. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Antioxidant Research showed that cinnamon supplementation can significantly enhance immune function by reducing oxidative stress. Include cinnamon in your daily diet during flu season to give your immune system a natural boost. Number 2. Eases menstrual discomfort. For those dealing with menstrual cramps, cinnamon could provide some much-needed relief. Cinnamon acts as an antispasmodic, helping to relax the muscles of the uterus, which can alleviate painful cramps. Its anti-inflammatory properties further help by reducing the production of prostaglandins, which are responsible for causing cramps. A 2015 study published in the Journal of Obstetrics and Gynecology found that women who consumed cinnamon reported significantly less menstrual pain compared to those taking a placebo. Drink cinnamon tea during your menstrual cycle to ease cramps naturally. Now here is the big reveal on its anti-aging effects. Number 1. Enhances skin health. Cinnamon extract is increasingly recognized for its anti-aging properties, particularly its ability to boost collagen production and reduce visible signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Collagen is a key structural protein that helps maintain the skin's firmness, elasticity, and hydration. As we age, collagen production naturally decreases, leading to skin sagging, wrinkles, and a loss of suppleness. Here's why cinnamon extract can help with anti-aging. Cinnamon stimulates collagen production. Research has shown that cinnamon extract contains bioactive compounds like cinnamaldehyde and proanthocyanidins, which promote collagen synthesis in the skin. These compounds work by activating growth factors and enzymes that stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen. Increased collagen levels help improve skin. Try a DIY cinnamon and honey face mask for a natural skin boost. Risks and downsides. As wonderful as cinnamon is, there are a few things to watch out for. Excessive consumption, particularly of cassia cinnamon, can lead to liver damage due to a compound called coumarin. It's also worth noting that cinnamon may interact with certain medications, so be sure to talk to your healthcare provider if you're on any medications or have underlying health conditions. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like and share with your friends, and if you are new here, we welcome you. Please subscribe to the channel. Comment below which of the 10 is your favorite and let us ride the wave to a happier, healthier you.